Maitei Mayamsu, cookies in our kind of the soup, can't be fawki. I quite a lazy. So, not to trust the city. Amana would have it. The Maitei is wrong, they'll get it. The cookies did wrong, they'll get it. The Nagas did wrong, they'll get it. Low in the young mother. Nungaitaba, Yam to Equimani Pussy. I'm Hindu by birth, but I do pray Gautam Buddha. After opening the first page of the Bible, it is written that forgive and forgiveness. Although I quite may have not. Indaraga, Amana, Mabukan, Naraganda, I quite peaceful atmosphere, Mapurakani, Hivasi, I show money. Nasi, I Nasida, Lepaga, religion leader may have among the Wangang Misisu because of my mind, my thought, what my trueness. Aduna, brother, let us to learn something that what Bible says. Maybe I'm not Christian, but I have to obey. Let's forget forgiveness. I try to convince the Meitei youths, like anything, we don't have any future to fight each other. Number one. Number two, first of all, we are all Indians. That cannot be denied. And secondly, we cannot deny that we are Manipuri. I am Manipuri Meitei, you are Manipuri Kuki, and Manipuri Naga. To restore peace is the only way to develop and our future of our young generation. Jesus is with you. Law is above us. If the Meitei is wrong, they will get it. The Kukis did wrong, they will get it. The Nagas did wrong, they will get it. Law in the Yang Mother Nungaitaba Yam to Equi Manipusi. Pastor of Umpale, me and Mumpale. We all pray to several years, the 14 boys. Padore, from the Macheta Wakshang Umpange. Then the second day, 7 months pregnant. No way to cap of a hale. Tawi the one after Tawe, who will have I don't know. I be Christian. Such leaders in the zoo. At a word or Lobiraganda. Lady Mamsi, Loan Father to all communities. With Punne, the Vayaroi, Hybridum, Mrs. Bianing, I should never pitch again. My team, I am so cookies in our kind of the soup, can't be fawki. I quite a lazy. So, not trust the visit. Amana would hazard another way. No Sigi, Hazard never said, for now, whatever the Koyam, when I think Pamina see Hajarakanda. We'll get justice. We'll get justice. Thank you.